Tutorial: Using External Instructions. This tutorial goes over using external instructions for an activity. Existing HTML files can be used for an activity as an alternative to typing the instructions in this window. Pages can be imported or exported individually or by folders. Click on this button to import a single HTML file. The contents of the HTML file will be displayed in the Edit window once it has been successfully imported. Click on this button to import multiple HTML files. Select the folder where the HTML files are located. The window indicates that there are now 4 pages of instructions for this activity. Click on this button to export the instructions. Then right-click the folder to create a new subfolder and click Select Folder. The newly created folder should now contain the exported instructions. This ends the Using External Instructions tutorial.